It's here! Yay! Alright. Let's see what we have. This is so cool. So cool. Our internet has sucked for 12 years. Been stuck in the 90s. 1990s. What's that? Here. Let's go like this. Alright, there we go. It's much better. Okay, so. Pew! Wah, 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 wah. That's what that symbol means. That's how you pronounce that symbol. Okay. Is it Dishy McFlatface? Is that what they call them? Alright. Got. Wow, it's like it's even already plugged in case you don't know how to put something, right? Oh, this is cool. Okay. And this is our power. This would be our network. I think this is just a Wi-Fi. And then that's Ethernet coming out, so you can hook it to another hub, I assume. Alright. And tons of cable. Lots and lots and lots of cable that goes to the dish. So this sits inside. This goes skyward. Yeah, it is Dishy McFlatface, isn't it? Flatty McDishface? Something like that. Alright. Yeah, let's put this on here. So we had a TV antenna on the roof. This just goes in there, and it just sits on the ground. If you want to. If you have a decent view of the sky from the ground. So, I'm going to put this out on the roof and then run the wire in. So I need to hook this thing and make sure you can't see what I'm pointing at. Instead of sitting this on the ground, I need to take this and hook it to our pole on the roof. So I need to measure that stuff out and figure it out, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so this is what our antenna used to be, our TV antenna used to be attached to. This attaches to the pole that's already on the roof. This is already mounted on the roof for us, so I don't have to deal with that. And then this pole is what attached to the antenna. So we're going to take this off, if I can. We're going to take this off, and then we're going to attach the dish to that instead. And hopefully this will come off. I might need to get some PB blaster on there, but it'll come off. I guarantee you it'll come off. Whether or not it'll go back on again is a different question. But yeah, let me get these off and I'll be back. Alright, these are loosened up. They don't have to come all the way off. They just need to be loosened up. And so we pull this out, and then this should be able to mount our dish pole on it. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Alright, so I just need to tighten this down in here. Yep, I just need to tighten those 4 screws down, and I'll be right back again. Alright, it is all ready to go. We just need to put this on the pole outside on the roof, and I need to find a way to keep this from spinning if it does want to spin, but that's easy enough to solve. But yeah, we just had those 4 put on, and we're going to go put this on the roof. Alright, here we go. So watch out for the treacherous ice and the deadly wind. too. Alright. Here's our tower. At least the winds are blowing me into the thing. There we go. Sit on there. And then, if you can hear me over the wind, sit on there. And those guys suck. Good riddance. Good riddance to them. Alright, it's going down now. Alright, cool. So, and I'll come back up and attach that with something so that it doesn't put stress on this. Yeah, we'll attach that to something so it's not pulling. But I'm going to go back downstairs and go into the office. Alright, our cable is hanging down, and these are our Yagi antennas that I was using for 4G. So this is how we're running this cable. We're basically running this in through the window. So I just need to get this end up here so that I can reach it from inside the window. That's all that is. Just need to be able to reach it from indoors, and then I can pull it through the window and seal up that window again. So we'll eventually be able to get rid of these. Those are pointing at the cell tower. That's a couple miles away because our previous current antenna and internet is 4G, which is not that bad. Alright, so the cable is coming in the window over here. As you can see, the light blasting through there. Yeah, I have to block that off, otherwise it screws up my recording colors. Yeah, my lighting for my recording. Anyway, that is our cable coming in, and that comes over to the power over there, and that cable is going around to there. So all we have to do is plug the internet cable here. Let's plug this internet. Whoops. Let's plug this internet cable. The one that we brought in from outside. We're going to plug this thing into here. And the cat wants to help. She wants to help. So we're going to plug that in, and we're going to plug this in, and then we're going to run a speed test. Alright, let's see what we do. Let's see if we can run a speed test now. Let's go. And we'll see what we can do. 32 mil. Wow! Yes! Oh, that is awesome. That is like, that's 14 times what we had on a good day. This is like 14 of our internet connections. This is so, oh, that is so cool. That is, yes. Oh, yeah. That's like 2 to 3 times. Oh, that is awesome. That is beautiful. All right. That is really, really cool. Okay, so anyway, that's what we got. That's our new yay, Starlink. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. Later.